Good morning. It's Jay Cannone from the William Ravis Real Estate Company, and I'm here in front of my new listing in the Nichols part of Trumbull. What's so interesting about this particular property is that it's geared towards an investor, and it's a fixer-upper. This is a flip property, folks. It's a Cape house, and on the first level, what we have is 1,850 square feet. We have a living room, dining room, a kitchen, and a family room. We have 3 bedrooms and a full bath. Upstairs, you have 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. Downstairs, which is a full walkout basement, and that's finished off with a full bathroom, and it has a little kitchenette area, a little family room area, as well as a bedroom. But folks, this house is in need of a lot of updating and a lot of renovation. The kitchen could be gutted, all the bathrooms could be gutted. It's a flip. We actually did a test last week, and there's a septic system in the backyard, and the septic system failed as well, so the house is also in need of a new septic system. The owner is extremely negotiable. I mean, she's ready to sell the house, and she understands that it's going to be geared towards an investor, and she's prepared. So if you're interested, investors, if you are interested, please give me a call. Let me know. Direct message me, call me on my cell, 203-209-2529, or email me at j@jcannone.com, text message me, however you want to reach me. But I'll tell you more about the property. It's a moneymaker. The house also has an attached 2-car garage right over here, and there's also in the backyard a detached 2-car garage. So actually you've got a 4-car garage, attached 2-car and a detached 2-car. Yeah, it's a tremendous buy for the right person. If you're handy, it's a great buy. And if you're an investor, if you're a flipper, it's a moneymaker. So anyway, guys, I'm Jay Cannone, and it's Wednesday, April 8th. Give me a call, and I'll gladly fill you in on some more information and maybe set up a showing for you here right away. Thanks. Have a great day.